Now that you have made it into Photoshop, about time. First thing we're gonna do is, damn, what is the first thing? Okay, so I'm gonna be adding black bars because it looks cool. So I'm gonna go like this. Make sure it reaches all the ends, like so. Oops. Oh, what is this? Hold up, let me fix this. Like this and like this. Then Control J to copy it. Hold Shift, and now it's down there. There we go. Now I'm gonna group this together by clicking both of these while holding Shift and clicking Control plus G. Now I'm gonna be adding a new folder, and this one is actually gonna be CC, color correction. So when it comes to color correction, first thing I'm gonna add is vibrance. I'll bring it up a lot, just like this. Then I'm gonna be adding a, let's see, not a mix. What can we add? A sensitive color. Now for this red, I'm actually do it like this because I have this red that looks kind of noisy. I want to sort of remove it by using this. There we go. Helps it. It also helps the scene a little bit. What about these? No. I'll just keep it like this. Then I'm gonna add a, I'm gonna add a curve. Bring it up. Not a lot. Then an exposure. Bring it up. Lower the opacity. How it looks now. Much better. What else can we add? A color balance. Set it to maybe like this and like this. Sure, why not? Lower the opacity. What else do we have? I think that's it of what I'm gonna be adding for the color correction. Yeah, this is gonna be it for the color correction. Now for this main render thing, I'm gonna be right clicking it, then convert to smart object, then filter, blur, Gaussian blur, click OK. Now click this white box, click B on your keyboard, then bring up the brush size and make sure it's at the soft. Now I'm gonna be clicking parts I don't want to be blurred, and make sure you're using the black brush. So this player. Now I'm gonna be lowering the flow, and I'm gonna be clicking the scene in the back, just like this. Now I'm gonna be clicking Control plus J again. I'm gonna be rasterizing the layer. So rasterize layer. I'm gonna be clicking filter, blur, motion blur. Like this. I'm gonna lower the opacity. And I'm gonna move it back. Now I'm gonna be clicking this box thingy, dot. And I'm gonna be clicking Control plus I. Now I'm gonna be lowering the brush size and making sure my brush size color set to white. Now I'm gonna be clicking the places I want blur. So it's gonna be this part. So I'm gonna bring up the flow again. Just like this. Not too much. And for final, I'm gonna be adding a Arsenal text. So how do you even type Arsenal? Arsenal. Did I type it right? So I hope I did. I just copied the Arsenal. Yeah, I did not. Okay, nice. I'm gonna bring this up. Not too big. Maybe if I set it right here. Or, you know, yeah, down here is actually nice. And the text font I'm using is Simple Caps Demo. It's gonna be in the description for you to download. I'm gonna go ahead and click this empty space of the text. Add in a drop shadow, set it to 47, distance 9, size 0, and what else could we add to this? I think this is it. I'm gonna make it as simple as possible and fast as possible. So if you guys actually enjoyed this video, or 2 parts, 3 parts, I don't know at this point, make sure to like, sub, comment. Yeah, just like at this point and comment. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much and bye bye.